I just had a seasonal maintenance done on my heating and air conditioning system. They made some recommendations for part replacement. What should I do? So you had your heating and air conditioning system maintenance, and that's awesome. And we get hit with some recommended part replacement. What should we do? Well, it really comes down to being proactive or reactive. For example, think of it this way. If you replace your brakes when they start making a little bit of noise, it's a cheap repair, right? It's the same with your heating and air conditioning system. If we're proactive and replace the minor components early, then we can save a ton of money down the line and not have to worry about those huge expensive repairs in the middle of winter or in the middle of summer. A minor component replaced today can help you avoid that massive $3,000 repair later. It comes down to trying to figure out, am I being sold or am I really given the facts about my system? So it's important that you have a report to reference to make those right decisions. And that's the most important thing, making sure that you get the best bang for your buck at all times. So if you want to learn more about Fact HVAC and what we do and how we help you with those things, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link below for Fact HVAC and learn more about all of the products and services we offer.